Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another video on how to trade with candlestick. So today we are going to trade with Bollinger Band. How to trade with Bollinger Band. So we'll be waiting for market to come to this area, because if you have bad market you should trade at the edge of Bollinger Band. So here maybe, or here, yes. If market come to this area I will trade, or if market come to this area I will take my trades. Is here and here. So I will take my trade from here or from here. So this, because you can see market is not good, so you have to wait market to come this area, then all this area. So I'm waiting now for market. If market come to this area and reject, I will place my trade call. So I'm still waiting for market to come this area or this area to place my trade. So in such market you have to be patient, you have to be waiting, because this market is not good. So you cannot trade in this area. From here you cannot trade, the whole area here you cannot trade. You can be able to trade only this area or this area. So here you cannot predict at this area because it's bad area. So anytime you see such a market you want to trade, so don't predict any candle in between, in the middle of this trend. So you have to exercise patience to wait. When market come to this level or this level, then you can take your trade. So now I'm still waiting for market to come to this level or this level. So let's see what will happen. I'm waiting for market still. So you see market is rejected from this level. You can see markets coming down. Maybe if we touch this level, yes, I place my trade. Wow, the time has exhausted. The time has finished. I place my trade, but doesn't execute. So no problem. Let me wait. You see, I would have win if my trade executed from this level. I would have get ITM. No problem, I'm still waiting. Yes, I place my trade. I place my trade call option here because I know definitely market will reject from this level. Market will not pass this area. At least it will close here or maybe in the middle of Bollinger Band. So let's wait for the results. So you see market is rejected. So you see this is winning trade. So I will place my trade call option from this level because I know market will go up from this level. It will create green candle definitely. So that's why I place my trade call option from this level. So let's wait for the results. This candle must be green. This candle must be green candle. So you see, so I know definitely this candle must be green. So let's see for the next trade. Now we are getting good opportunity now. So market is coming to this level, to here. Market is here now at this level. I'll place my trade call option here. I place my trade call option here because I know this candle must go off. This candle must be green. So that's why I place my trade call option. So let's wait and see. Even though market is doing some panic, I know it must reject and create green candle. This candle, let's wait and see what will be the results. if what I'm saying is true. Let's see. We have 8 seconds. You see. So you see, so let me explain one by one. So if you are trading with Bollinger Band, if you see bad market like this, don't ever trade in this area. Don't ever try to trade between this area. Don't ever try to trade here at all. You will lose your money. Anytime wait for market to come below this level, below this Bollinger 2 deviation. If you don't know how to set this Bollinger, drop comment. I will show you how to set it. So this is the 2 deviation Bollinger, this is 1 deviation. So anytime you see this type of market, don't ever try to trade at this level. Try to get opportunity below this Bollinger Band or here above this Bollinger, then you place your trade. You can see here I place my trade call option on this candle because I know definitely this candle must be green, because it's below, is this between 1 deviation and the 2 deviation, because of this type of bad market. So that's why I place my trade call option here. So let me explain the next one. Then the next trade, you can see here I'm trying to place call option, but I mistakenly my mouse hook and place put option. When I realize I placed call option 2 times to overcome my trade. I know if I leave it in put option, I will get losing trade. So that's why I decided to place call option twice. So that's why I place my trade call option after market comes to this level, because I know definitely market must go up. So next, the last trade is here. You can see I place my trade call option because I know market must reject and create green candle. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Drop comment below this video if you have any comment or suggestion or question. So I'll say thank you, bye bye.